we've had so many people come in who are unfamiliar with the residency, who then we're able to talk about it with them, share our work, and they're like, I want to apply next year. And that's kind of the point of the residency, is opening it up to the public so that it feels accessible. If they're excited about what they're working on, they can apply for this program. And I think that the booth is an awesome opportunity to show tangibly what we've been working on thus far and what we're going to continue to be working on for the rest of the residency project. And I am simultaneously prepping and giving my talk that's all about my UX process and thinking about how UX can be a channel for social impact work. So it's been great so far.
So the residency booth has actually been pretty fun. Julie and I had an idea. We had two different things. We had a double exposure with color and a double exposure with nature.
So we thought it's nice to have like an interactive booth where people can come and get their photo taken.
And then the other residents are editing the images live so people can see them. I would guess we're probably going to take like 1,500 portraits.
My presentation is about how creatives can work with nonprofits, but really about how to embed equity, reciprocity, like all these principles of conscious and responsible design into the work so that they can gain a wider client base and also improve the campaigns that they'd be designing for.
I created this walk of happiness. I think it was in between 3 weeks. There are 7 stops and one stop will be created in the next few days.